Hey guys, this is Ray Possible. So here I am going to unbox this Iron Patriot Hero Edition on Nendroid. Here's the front, here's the side, the back of course. So yeah, let's ride and let's unbox this. So here we are going to unbox the Iron Patriot Hero Edition. Let me adjust my camera a bit. So yeah, adjust it. So here's the front. Okay, let's cut the tapes. Yeah, here's my scissors. Cut it from the side. Yeah, the side. Then here at the top. I'm carefully because I want to keep the box itself. Okay. Okay, another one here. Too many tapes. I hate this. I hate tapes. Well, I would like to buy many more figures of Nendroid, but I hope I can find more that I can buy. Oh, here another tape. Too many tapes. I hate this. So yeah, so if you guys would like to comment if what Nendroid is your favorite, so here it is. Yay, we've opened it. Too many tapes, like I care on that type. So here's 392 Iron Patriot Heroes Edition. So here's the background of the boxes. If you can see, there's Iron Man and maybe this part 2 or part 3. So let's unbox this. Opening from the top, baby. Yay! Okay, here we go. So yeah. So I open it. So let's change the camera angle, baby. So hey guys, this is a new camera angle. So let's open this plastic. Oh wait, there's tape again. Oh my gosh, why it all have to be tape masters? Okay, another tape here. Okay, so yeah, so here's the face and the body, and here's the feet and legs. Yeah, so I think you can open this. Oh no! So yeah, you can put this head right there, and here's the platform and stand and his blasters and different arms. So yeah, I will fix this and you'll check the preview of this badass Nendroid. Hey guys, I'm back. So that's my preview and unboxing of this badass toy, the Iron Patriot. So hope you guys like it. Subscribe, like, and tell me what Nendroid you like the most. So see you guys on my next video. See ya!